Hi guys, I'm back with part 3 of my video, and today I will show you the features of the S160 Android head unit for Ford Ecosport. But before that, I would like to show you some of the system prompt present in the original head unit. I will show you maybe 3. This is number 1, and this is number 2. My unit is actually due for maintenance, so I keep on seeing this engine oil change reminder. And this is number 3. This is the power shift cold boot startup. So when the transmission is ready, you will see this reminder on screen. Okay, I'm actually expecting this feature to be present in the S160, which I will show you later on. Okay, so I'll be back. Alright, I'm done with the installation. So earlier in the video I showed you some of the system prompt that you will see on the original head unit. So we will find out if those system prompts are still present in the S160. So I will start it now. Okay,
Start recording.
so you can see that's the boot up logo. The default logo is of course Ford, but you can change it later on to any logo you want. Okay, this is the Android boot up sequence that you're seeing. This is only for the first time you start your engine for a long period. If you on and off your engine, you won't be seeing this boot up logo. Okay, let's go to the home page. Okay, the S160 is a dual system. It's a dual OS, so you will see first the Windows CE system, then you can see this small Android icon over here. Okay, that's the Android switch. If you are familiar with the S100, then this interface is very familiar. Okay, this is the Android homepage. Okay, then let's see if the prompt is still there. I'll try to do first the power shift cold boot startup. Okay, everything is there. This is the power shift. This is the second one is the press brake start. The very first prompt that you see on my earlier video. And if you could rewind and pause for a bit, you can also see the engine change oil reminder still present. So it's good, all good. Everything is still there, everything is present. Now we will check the that's the engine oil reminder. Okay, now we will check the door lock. I'll try to open my door here. Okay, good, everything is there, but the icon became very small. Then I'll open the passenger door. Okay, good. Then next is I'll start the engine, then I'll turn on the air conditioning. Oh, reboots. Not sure if that's normal, but anyway. Let's wait for a bit. I will be turning on the aircon, so we'll try to find out whether all the icons are there. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Okay, I'll turn on the aircon. Right, good, it's there. Okay, I'll switch on. Then the fan. Okay, it's working. The auto climate. Then the air circulation. Okay, good, it's working. Okay, next is we will try to find out if these buttons over here still works under the S160 system. So I will try this one first. Okay, it still works. The radio. It still works, but it has to scan a few stations for presetting on these buttons here. Okay, everything works. Auxiliary, yeah, but I don't have any video or audio right now. Phone, yeah, okay, still works. Menu, okay. The volume, okay. Alright. Okay, next is we will try to find out if this steering button still works under the S160. So I will press this one first, the Microsoft Sync. Okay, still there. The volume button still works. Forward, backward. Okay, the sync button.
USB.
Play all. Play all. Play all.
You can say play album, artist, genre, track, or playlist, and your selection. To control media, say play, pause, previous or next track, previous or next folder.
Play.
Resume playing.
Okay, that's good. Microsoft Sync still works. Okay, next one is I will show you the reverse camera. Okay, as you can see, the original reverse sensor over here under the titanium variant, it's still working. Plus there's a provision for the front sensors here as well. That's good. Okay, and next is I will show you the navigation software that is pre-installed on this unit. It's called the iGo My Way. Okay, the only problem that I experienced with this pre-installed software is that it doesn't have PH map. I had to download the map from a torrent site, then copy onto an SD card, then after that use the file explorer, this one, then paste it onto the hard disk. Okay, so you can see here there's a folder here named iGo, then go to the content, then map. Okay, once I copy the file onto the SD card, copy it, then paste it here on this folder. This is the PH map. Okay, I also have this Google map installed, then the offline map. Later on I will be installing Waze and CJIC, so I will show you some of the demo. Okay, next one is the Bluetooth function. Just now I already paired my smartphone, which I am holding right now, to film this video. So we will see. Wait, Bluetooth. Okay. Bluetooth. Okay, you can see here it's connected. I'll try to play some audio. Okay, right now I'm playing. Okay, next is the audio feature. Okay, this one is actually, the file is installed in the USB thumb drive, which I insert on the USB port inside the glove box. So like what I mentioned earlier, the sound quality of the S160 is much better than the S100. I'd say it's a far cry. Although the frequency settings, the equalizer settings is the same, but I can really hear the difference. If you want to access the settings, you can click the three dots on top here, then go to this sound effects. Okay, this is actually the sound augmentation. You can distribute the sound on the two speakers in front or the two speakers on the rear side. Then to customize the frequency, you can click on this. Then you can see all the settings here, the 3D, the bass, then the sub. Then there are presets here also. Right now I'm using rock as my sound effect preset. Then you can customize every frequency here. Okay, then if you want to customize the sound distribution, okay, which one is louder than the other, so you can see here the navigation, the TV, the radio, Bluetooth, then the audio, which I'm using right now through the USB port, the video, then DVD, the Bluetooth, iPod, auxiliary 1 and 2, then applications, so on. Okay, then you can also customize the steering wheel controls by clicking on this. Okay,
Start recording.
okay, and I'm back, and I already installed the S100 head unit, as what you can see right now. Okay, earlier in the video I tried to show you some of the system prompt from the original head unit, So now we will observe if those system prompts have been retained on this S160. Because on my S100, some of them have been retained, some of them, I mean most of them are not. So we try to find out what are those system prompts that we can see. Okay, I will be turning it on right now. Okay, just press this button. Okay, the main system prompt, the engine oil reminder, is still there. I'll try to open one of the doors and see what happens. Okay, it's still there. And then I will try to do the power shift. Let's see what happens. Oh, good, it's there. Ha ha ha, good, good, good. Okay, now to turn it on. Oh wait, okay, let's try to pause this one first. We go back to the main screen. Nope. No, 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 no. Ah. Mm. Okay, this is the radio. The sound quality is actually much better than the S100. This is a very, very good improvement. The bass is much better than the stock head unit. And in terms of the stop buttons, okay, you can still use this one. It's still intact. Everything is still intact. Menu. Okay, this is what you see, the home screen, exactly like what you see on your smartphone. The fluidity is actually much better than the S100. This is 4.4.4. It's a KitKat version. Okay, then the standard Android icons. I'm actually connected online. Okay, Wi-Fi. I'm using my phone. It's a hotspot. Okay, this is the system info. You can see here it's a 4.4.4. Okay. Okay. Roaming, mobile network, everything is here. The first time I turn on this unit, actually, it goes into this Windows CE home screen. So this is a dual operating system head unit. I just set that it stays as an Android when I turn it on. So this is what I see. Okay, Bluetooth. This one is what? Okay. Oh, this is the okay, the lamp check, handbrake check. Oh, good. This one's a new one, new feature. Reversing boot trajectory. Okay, let's try the reverse, see what happens. Okay, good. So you can see here the original backing sensor from the titanium version is still retained. Then there's a provision for the front sensors. Okay, good. Okay, this is the prompts. Okay, this is the settings, the traction. Okay, everything is here. Rain sensor. Oh, okay, good. Alright, I'm back. Earlier on the video I showed you some of the system prompt that is present on the original head unit. So we will find out if those system prompts are still present in the S160. So I will be turning this unit on. Okay, there's the boot up
Start
sequence.
recording.
Then I think this is the part of the Android boot up sequence. Yep, it is. Okay, the first thing that you will see is actually the Windows CE. Okay, try to focus. Alright, there you go. So this is exactly the same as the S100, except that you can see this Android icon here, and there's this car setting, then a clear memory. So I will press this Android, and this is what you will see. Okay, this is the interface. It's very fluid compared to the S100. Okay, go to the menu. Okay, these are the standard Android icons, exactly the same as any smartphone. There's a built-in iGo navigation software installed. There you go. Yeah, we try to explore the settings. There's a Wi-Fi, airplane mode, as if my car would be flying. Okay, sound, display, you can adjust the brightness, wallpaper. You can choose between this aquarium, light wallpaper, black hole, and so on. Screenshot settings, storage, apps, location. Okay, security, language, backup, Google account, date and time accessibility. Okay, about device, you can see here, this is Android 4.4.4. it's a KitKat version. Canvas is the Canvas version. Okay, car settings. Okay, car settings, you have here lamp check, handbrake, reversing check, reversing mute, reversing boot, key sound, blah 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 blah. Boot logo, you can change the boot logo here. Okay, there's no Ferrari. Oh, too bad. Oh wait, there's a bunch of icons here, but still no Ferrari. Okay, Bluetooth, Siri, Google Chrome, gallery, this TV, DVR, GPS. Okay, this is where I am. Then sync. Okay, there's a widgets, video. Okay, let's try to see this one. Okay. The S160 is actually capable of playing a 1080 pixel HD video in MP4 format. This is a 720p. Looks fine. Okay, that's the video, audio. In terms of sound quality, it's actually better than the S100, and I'd say from my point of view it's better than the original audio, the stock audio.